Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel Girl Engineer, and I make videos about engineering, studying abroad and some internship opportunities or some workshop opportunities, and basically I can say like everything related to an engineer and a person who is looking to study abroad. So in today's video I'm going to talk about expenses that are required to apply for the Canadian university. So you might be thinking who I am to talk about the Canadian universities. So I would like to share that I will be soon going to Canada for pursuing masters in computer science. But here's the twist. I won't be telling you all where I'll be going, which college, which place, all the stuff right now because that is going to take some another time. So I would like to share my experiences and share my information regarding that in the next upcoming videos. So if you would like to see those videos, then I would like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and also like, share and comment. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So I do have a list of things that are required, or I can say a list of expenses that are required even before applying for the Canadian universities. So I can see, I don't know whether you will be able to see or not. There are like, I have written a list in it. So I'll be talking about these one by one. So the first thing which is going to be like, that if you're applying for a Canadian university, you must give IELTS exam. So those who are new to the concept of IELTS, then you can just check out my another video, everything related to IELTS. I'll give the link in the description below. Kindly have a look at it. Okay, so for IELTS exam, some or most of them, I guess, I don't know if it was me, but mostly people or students prefer joining some academics or some tuition classes for learning the course structure or some practice and those stuff. So there is like tuition expenses. So who are like wishing to go for that, then I guess like here in Maharashtra, I stay in Maharashtra, so it costs around like 7,000. I don't know, it might depend, I'm not sure about it, but where I went was like 7,000. But I don't think so like it is required. Like for me, I'm a person who cannot sit constantly and practice something. So I wanted somewhere like someone to take a good practice of me, and for that reason I went for the classes. So if you are someone like who can stay consistently and work on it, then it's absolutely fine if you can do practice, because on YouTube you get lots of tons of, I can say tons of modules and some practice tests and everything. So you can just practice over there. And if you want the links for that, I'll also link those in the description below. And for speaking section also, there's like lots of samples on YouTube, so you can just check those out. And reading and writing is all purely based on your practice and what you do. So based on everything you get free resources, so I don't think so tuition is necessary. But if you're someone like me who cannot sit consistently and practice, then the tuitions are for you. Okay, so let's talk about the second point, that is the exam fees. So the exam fees for IELTS is currently it's 14,000, but when I gave the exam it was around 13,700. So yeah, it depends. It may even increase in the coming years, or it may, I never think it's going to decrease. It might increase obviously. Okay, so the third thing is, okay, so once you have given the exam, so the third step is going to be obviously sending your scorecards to the universities you are planning to apply. So if you're giving the exam through IDP, you will be getting the opportunity to send 5 scorecards electronically to the universities for free of cost. So if you want to send for other colleges, then you have to pay rupees 250 for per university. So I don't think so it's going to be a huge amount. So you can just try for the universities, maximum universities which you want to apply. But one more thing I would like to say, like you might send the scorecards to n number of universities because it's just going to cost you 250 rupees. But the thing is, the twist is, when you're actually applying for the universities, then it is going to cost you a lot. So the fourth step I'm going to talk about is application fees. So the application fees generally in Canada depends upon like $100 to $120. So it is like around like 5,700 or something like that in Indian rupees currency. So just think wisely to how many universities you're going to apply and everything like that, and plan it wisely and then apply for the universities. And the last thing I'm going to talk about, that is fifth one, is about your SOP LOR resume. So you obviously need a statement of purpose, letter of recommendation, and your resume to send to those universities. Like you may, some colleges might ask you to send that through courier, or some ask you to just upload it through the PDFs or something like that. So if you're someone like who are good at vocabulary, who can like write creatively and all those things, then it's a good thing that you save your money over here. But if you want to reduce your time and want someone to write it creatively for you, then you might refer to some consultancies. They might do it, and this consultancy fees depends upon various factors. It may depend upon the place where you're asking for the consultancy to work for you. It might depend upon the level or that the consultancies are, how efficient they are and how renowned they are. So it purely depends, and the, I guess like it's going to depend like 5,000 to 12,000, I guess, around. I would not like to share mine because I have literally wasted some money, I can say. So I would like others to not just waste their money, simply just do proper research, and then you can like just check it out, like which consultancy is better for writing your SOPs, LOR, and resume. So these are the 5 steps you have to take care, and these are the essential steps and essential expenses that are going to be like required for applying to the Canadian universities. So if you have liked my video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also if you have any comments, please do ask them in the comment section. I will try to answer all your comments or all your queries, and stay updated for my upcoming journey related to Canada or some information regarding that. Till then, stay happy, have a good day, bye.